To start, a nice thick ham steak is key. Cook it over medium heat in a large skillet until it's browned and fully cooked. This could take about 3 to 4 minutes per side, but it all depends on the thickness of your steak. Once it's done, remove the ham from the skillet and set it aside, but don't toss out those drippings. Now, it's time to make the gravy. With the skillet still sizzling on medium heat, pour a full cup of freshly brewed black coffee right into the pan with the leftover ham drippings. Stir it up, making sure to scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the pan. Those bits are packed with flavor and will take your gravy from good to great. Let the coffee simmer in those flavorful drippings for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until it has reduced to a gravy-like consistency. It's important to remember that red-eye gravy is thinner than your usual gravy, so don't worry if it doesn't thicken up too much. Once the gravy is done, it's time for the final touch: seasoning. Give it a taste and add salt and pepper as needed. The beauty of red-eye gravy lies in its unique flavors of coffee and ham, so avoid over-seasoning it. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.